Hello friends, welcome to my channel Noatech Videos, and in this video we will see how we can modify the user's attributes in Active Directory in bulk. So in my previous videos I have shown you how you can manage the users and how you can manage the groups, and this is the series of Wisesoft, and this is last video. And with the help of this tool, you can easily modify the attributes, Active Directory attributes of users. So if you don't know, you are new to the channel, then this is the software we are going to use. So Wisesoft bulk AD users I already downloaded, and if you don't have this tool, you can get it from the description. The link is there, and from there you can download the tool. So let me show you my Active Directory here. So this is my domain, Active Directory adi.com, and here let me open up the tool. So there is a recommendation not to copy or run this tool on any of the domain controller. So you don't need to install this tool also, because whenever you want, you just simply you can extract the files, whatever files are there, you can put on your laptop or desktop, and from there you can simply start this tool. You don't need to put this tool or install it on any of the domain controller. That is not at all recommended. And before doing any changes in your production, you have to make sure you have tested it thoroughly in the test infra, and based on the result you can utilize this tool. So with this message, let's go ahead and check it how we can bulk modify the attributes. So let me open it. Here it will ask for the register. If you want to register, you will get the code, and if you don't want to register later. Okay, the tool will open, and this is GUI method. So you can see here in the previous video how I have shown you how you can populate the users from your Active Directory to this tool so that you can start managing. So let me check all users in my Active Directory. So I selected all. This is my domain adi.com, and I'll give OK. And this many users I have which are present on my Active Directory. So now you have been given a task to modify the description for all users, or some of the users that request came from your HR or anyone, and you also want to modify the telephone number in bulk for Active Directory users. Then to modify the attributes for each and every user, this is going to be very time consuming task and also the boring task, but in that case it can help you out. So let me show you how you can do it. So you need to click on grid and then allow modification. So first you have to populate the list, then post that. So there are a couple of ways to fetch the list. Let me show you that one also. If you have the same account name, you can just put it here, and all the users will be loaded over here. And if you have any group, you can fetch the users from the group as well. And in my case, I am using my all users. You can use any container, OUs or all. So I am using it all. So all users are loaded. This is my test infra. So let's do it now. So allow modifications, and I want to give the same description to all the users. So simply just copy, paste, copy and paste. So this is one of the method which I am telling you, and another method I'll tell you later. the same video 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 5. I'm just giving an hint. So these are the numbers. So simply I just type the telephone number, and you can use all the numbers. And before I proceed with the modification, so let me show you. For the first user 100, whether description 110 description is added or not, and telephone is added or not. So it's my user 110 110. Let me show you. You can see here description is not there, even the telephone, that is not there. So now we will update. So I already filled the sheet, and here just apply modifications. So you can see the green number of users successfully modification done. Okay, so let us quickly check for the same user whether that is done or not. 110. Okay, and here you go. You can see the description, and you can see the telephone is also updated. And similarly, if you want to update more parameters, you can just simply go, if that is relevant to you, from here you can load office, physical network, web, email, CN, and address, PO, city, whatever you want you can pick from here. And log on to account, log on name, profile, if you want to go with home folder, mobile, whatever attributes you want to modify, you can just pick them from here. Company, and these are the random ones, so I will talk this about later. So let me show you, and again let me clear the grid, and here you go. You can see the all attributes are here. And you can either way allow modification, manually fill the sheet here. So this will be also the quite easy. But if you don't want, and if you want to go with the complete automation, then you can do that as well. So what you will do, you will export this into comma separated sheet, or you can add it, or CSV update, add it in Excel. Let me show you. I don't have Excel installed, otherwise it would have been available in Excel sheet. But anyways, you can export to the CSV file, CSV, and make sure users. Okay, choose, you can't save, I don't have permission to save it. Okay, I'll save it here. Users, that is saved. So you can take this file to any computer where your MS Office is installed, and there you can modify the sheet. Because I don't have Excel installed or the MS Office installed on this domain controller, so I will not be able to modify, but it will open in the Excel sheet or the CSV file. And once you have that CSV with the updated values, then you can put the same file to the same any location or any shared location. And how to modify, let me show you. So you have to clear the grid, clear grid, then update. Please select the CSV file, then you have to give the path where your file is, and whatever attributes are there and which one you want to modify or update, you have to select that. So let me none, and I'll select only company because I want to modify from that sheet only company and country code and department. You can select those attributes and just click on update. So once you are done, that updates which you given or feed the value into the comma separated value or the CSV file, those will be updated to all the users. I would suggest you not to change any default parameter, like you can see here the telephone or any from the Excel sheet or the CSV sheet, otherwise that will not work. So this is how you can update from Excel. And again, if you have some of the parameters or the attributes which are not already there in, let me show you here, in all of these tabs, then simply you can add them, like any of the attributes. Let me show you the attributes of any one. Okay, and attributes editor, and I want the given name modify, given name, but it is already there. So whichever you want, you can just pick any of them. Or if you have already created any attributes. So this is my attributes which I had created for some purpose, so let's use this one. I'll use this attributes, and here you have to give the name and the same here and add it, and the next time when this is updated, it is showing some error because the value is not correct. Extension attributes that will come with any number. So let's pick any other attributes. So I will pick the secretary and secretary. Okay, let's close it, and here you have to modify again. Okay, advance, the same extension attributes you have to give here, then add, then save it. Yes, again if you want to modify this one, so from the Excel sheet or from here you can manage. So secretary, it's 1 2 3, just for testing I am putting for the user, this user, just for testing. That is 100, and just modify, apply, not done because the direct value is not accepted in this case. But if you have any own created attributes, yes, you can easily manage them, but there should be some positive value. So this is how you can manage or modify the bulk attributes for the users. And hope you guys liking my video. You can subscribe to my channel. If there's any issue, you can put into the comments. I'll reply you back, and thanks for watching.